Hi, my name is Anita, and I am one of the co-founders of Electrion, where we offer energy on demand. Climate change, as we all know, is one of the biggest problems of our generation. The White House, Columbus, and Ohio State all have climate action plans, but they need more bold, audacious, environmental champions that dare to unleash their inner Greta Thunberg to achieve their goals. We channeled our inner Greta and set our sights on eliminating loud, smelly, gas-guzzling generators at one of the largest universities in the nation. To accelerate the transition to renewable energy, Electrion has developed a clean, quiet, portable energy solution that leverages disposed batteries deemed no longer fit for electric vehicles, offered as energy on demand to our consumers. Through our mobile app, we also provide a sustainable solution to car manufacturers to lower their negative environmental impact. We believe our vision and mission to educate the community extends far beyond tailgates and into the community. Our mobile units can be used inside and outside, giving you power at the push of a button, all without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of a traditional gasoline-powered generator. Our proof of concept was deployed this past fall at the biggest and baddest tailgates. They said that they would pay up to $100 to have a clean, quiet, uninterrupted power delivered to them. OSU's Traffic and Transportation Management had a use case with signage boards that were powered by solar panels that have a high failure rate out in the field. Electrion could replace them with our battery units to provide a consistent and dependable power source. And just last week, the Wexner Medical Center asked Electrion to power upcoming events in the summer. They and the Office of Student Life organize over 300 events in a year where Electrion could eliminate a horrendous amount of power cords. And just last summer, a museum contacted us to power a pop-up exhibit on campus. While we were initially aiming to replace generators used on college campuses and in the city, Electrion's solution is also needed at disaster sites and rural communities. The global mobile energy storage market is $20.6 billion, the U.S. coming in at $4.4 billion, and the Ohio region at $132 million. Our mobile units are not only affordable, convenient, and clean, but they're also safe and secure. What differentiates us in the market is our IoT component, giving Electrion units GPS capability with the ability to track real-time data, such as state of charge, location, and voltage. These features help prevent use cases such as theft and allow us to make sure that our users are preventing the overuse of the batteries that could harm themselves and everyone around them. And lastly, we offer energy on demand and can deliver energy to people beyond the grid. Electrion helps car companies become more sustainable by leasing disposable EV battery packs and repackaging them for less energy-intensive use cases. Electrion offers service as daily, weekly, and monthly rentals. We priced our units competitively against generators sold at Home Depot. Once we rent one unit for 12 days, 7 weeks, and 3 months, which can be done within the first year, all subsequent rentals after that are profitable. This year, we are prioritizing building 30 units for a soft launch in the fall, a hard launch in the spring, and formalizing an EV battery partnership. We aim to raise $100,000, where 60% of the funding will go towards product development and developing a safety and protocol plan for our users. 24% of the funding will go towards salaries and building our team. 12% of the funding will be used for marketing, and the remaining will be used to support our education and outreach program. And lastly, our angel investor, MJV, has vowed to match the $50K that we aim to raise from PBA. Now our all-star team. Our team is filled with battery research experts, engineers, business and environmental champions. Danny, Anita, Jacob, and Caleb are computer, electrical, and systems engineers and focus on the user experience, systems maintenance, and strategic partnerships. Abby, our environmental champion, forces us to think holistically and assess sustainable developments in a variety of settings. Lucas is focused on our business development and government affairs and is developing our plans to scale. And Grace is focusing on our marketing and communications. Our partners within Ohio State consist of the President's Prize Fellow, Greenscope Consulting, the Wexner Medical Center, Ohio State's Office of Student Life, the Sustainability Institute, TTM, and 99P Labs. Our other partners include MJV Megajoule Ventures, which brings the value of commercialization expertise and C-suite level executives to help in business development, and lastly, Honda. Our mission is to accelerate the transition to renewable energy. Our vision is a sustainable future for all. We believe spending time educating the community and young adults on how to live more sustainably is just as important as building and selling one of our units. Through this, we believe we can empower each individual to unleash their inner Greta and mobilize their communities for a green future, starting with you. And lastly, our values are excellence, diversity, and collaboration. Together, let's start something new. Thank you.